Goddess of order, may you hold my life in balance and harmony as you hold the universe. May your honesty and truth help me to see through that which is false and misleading, and to perceive only what is truth. Goddess of justice, may your hand guide my own and keep me from disturbing my balance of self. Amun, Ra, Ptah, Mayat. Dua, left hand and foot forward to stamp out negativity. Crown, balancing the left and right hemispheres. First eye, pineal and pituitary. Throat, heart, solar plex, sacral, root. Heart, solar plex, sacral, root. Running energy through all Uritu chakras. Running energy through legs, both sides. Ankles. Always do center of feet for grounding at the end of the session.